Hi, today I'm going to show you some life hacks and tricks with credit cards or playing cards. If this is your first time in my channel and want to see more of my experiments and tricks, click that red subscribe button and that small bell icon so you get notified when I upload videos. The first one will be a headphone holder. To make it you will need these paper hole making thingies, scissors and a credit card or playing cards. To start this experiment, take your card and I will show you where to make the holes. Here, like that, and a hole here, two holes right here, and a cut right here, and two holes like that, and like that. So to make holes here, here and here, you can use these things like that. And now the second hole and the third hole right here. I have made holes here, so you can see here and here. Now you will need your scissors and cut it here and here, here too. Like that. So we that and I'll cut it here and here. Now I cut here and here. See. Now this is to prevent tangling your headphones. So I can keep one of my headphones here, one here, one here. Okay, then I'll wrap it around like that so it won't get tangled. The remaining part you can keep it here, like that. Now they won't get tangled, so if I am taking it out, I can just take it out like that, and it's not even tangled. And taking your headphones is just like that and like that. The second one is going to be a phone stand. For the extra experiment, you will need a candle. Now I will draw some lines here where you should bend. There, there, and there. Okay. Now bend it here. You can bend it by hand, but it will be hard, so I am using some fire. Now bend it like that. Wait for it to cool. Now bend it here. Okay. Bend it. Okay. Now bend it here also. Like that. Now wait for it to cool. Now you can use this as a stand, like this. See? Now you can watch videos. See? The third one will be a amazing catapult. The catapult you will need 2 credit cards or playing cards, a water bottle cap, scissors, and a candle, and also a hot glue. To make it, first take your card and draw. Keep your bottle cap in the center and draw it on the sides like that. So you can do about there and there. You have to cut here, okay, up to here. Now let me cut it with my scissors. Okay, and here too. After cutting it here and here, take your candle, okay, and bend it here and here. Okay, now bend it by heating it. Here too, bend it. Let it cool. Okay, now bend the ends here and here down. Here too, and the sides, both sides like that. Okay, now here you will need a little bend, okay, not too much, don't bend it too much, a small bend like that. After that you have to glue everything together. So take your hot glue and put a dab of hot glue here and here. Now connect it like that. Now wait it till dry. You can put some hot glue here too to keep it more secure, so when you using the catapult it would last longer. After that, glue it here. Like that. Okay, now let it dry. After everything cools here, take your bottle cap and put hot glue here and put it here. Now let it go. Now we have let it dry. See? Now I can shoot it. See? Anything that is small, we'll shoot it. See? The maximum shooting range for this is 5 to 7 meters. Those are all the life hacks and tricks. So make sure to like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch my last video and click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching.